Would you like to know how I achieved this from just this plastic bottle? If you want to know, keep watching. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a fake nails from a plastic bottle. So this bottle has been calling out to me, recycle me, recycle me. So here I am recycling it. I made this of a razor blade to cut it out to make it easier for me to go in with the scissors. The purpose of the razor blade is to make it easier for you while cutting with the scissors. Once you're done cutting it, this is the end result that you're going to have. It's going to look this way. Once you're done with that, the next thing you have to do is to carefully wrap it around your fingers. Wrap it really tight, just the way I'm doing it. Then secure it with a sellotape. Use a sellotape to seal it up. The next thing we're going to do is to get a really hot water and let it sit in the water for a while. So once it sits for a while, you can remove it and then cut it from each side, from both ends. So the purpose of us folding it and then dipping it into the hot water is for us to achieve a round and curved look, if that makes sense. You're going to see it once I'm done cutting it. Now you're going to see how curved it looks like. So it's going to make the nails look more nice and realistic. So like I said before, it's going to make it look curved. So you can see how round it is, look really curved. So we're going to, the next thing to do is to place it on our nails. Place each and every one on your nail. So the first method I used was just to place it on our nails and then cut it out, shape it out. Also, make sure you cut it well in a way that it's going to sit well on your nails. So when I was done with that, I got a marker and then I labeled it. I labeled it as T for my thumb, just for it to be easier for me. So the next method I used was to just place it directly on my nails and then mark out the edges, mark out where I want to cut out, and then I cut it out. So that was what I did for the rest of the nails. I won't be talking all through this video, so I just show you more of the practical for you to see it. So as you are seeing it, you understand better what I'm saying. So all I did was to trace out everything, cut it out for all my 5 nails, 5 fingernails. So now I am done cutting and labeling it all for all my nails. So the T is for my thumb, the I is my index finger, the M is my middle finger, the R is my ring finger, and the P is my pinky finger. It's going to be much easier that way. Just trust me. The next thing to do is to get your super glue. Please be careful when using it. Just apply little quantity and then place the bottle or fake nails, place it on your nails and then gently press it in. Press it in and make sure it sits well. So this is what we're going to do for all the remaining nails. Just keep watching and I hope you enjoy viewing. If you've gotten to this stage and you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly subscribe, like and comment down below what you like to see next or what you like about this video. So I'm done gluing the fake nails on my actual nails. So I'm just cleaning out the labeling that I did. This is how long it is for now, but me, I don't want it this long, so I'm going to cut it all out. Cut it to your preferred length. So once you are done with that, this is the result that you're going to get. So it's either you leave it this way or you apply any of your gel to it, any of your nail polish to it. But me, I prefer it this way, so I left it this way. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.